Robin, and this week I'm going to be teaching you just some fun swing dance moves that you can do to any music, any song, put them in a choreo, do whatever you'd like with them. A big piece of advice is to always keep your pulse while you're dancing, and no matter what, have fun with it, because swing dance is different to everybody and there's so many different variations that maybe you could come up with one of your own. So stay tuned to keep learning more. So in no particular order, this week we're going to start off with Scarecrows. It's super easy. You're going to step with your left foot on 8. We're not starting on 1, we're starting on 8. So on 8, you're stepping with your left foot. 1 through 3, you're going to do a Savoy kick, so you just bounce around 1, 2, 3, step back on it on 4. On 5, you're going to drag your left leg to your right leg, kiss your knees together on 5. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your body, as you can kind of start to tell, is going to come into Scarecrow. So it's going to go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your knees are going to kiss, your feet are going to turn in, and your upper body is going to make this box shape. You're going to tilt your head. So it's going to look like this. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. From the back. So same thing from the back. You're going to go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So really slowly, you're going to go half speed. It's going to go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, close 5, 6, 7, step 8, go 1, 2, 3, step 4, drag 5, 6, 7, step 8. Okay, so this next move I'm going to teach you is called the Shoeshine. It's a 4-count move, and for anybody who's done the Tranky Do, this one might look familiar. It's really easy. What you're going to do is step 1, kick your foot out, 2, bend over, and flick 3, 4. Step, step, flick, flick. Step, step, flick, flick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. Get why it's called a Shoeshine? Okay, great. From the back, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at a normal pace, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe wear a hair tie for this one. So building off what we just worked on, our little fun shoe shines, we're going to do the beginning of a shoe shine, or I guess the end of a shoe shine, with a surprise twist ending. And it's called break a leg. Okay, so to start this move off, you're going to kick your foot out in front of you, just like we would in the shoe shine. And then you're going to roll from the heel of your foot to your toes and catch yourself as though you just broke your foot. Some people like to step it. I'm gonna roll through. So we kick out, roll through. Out, roll through. Because you just broke your foot. You don't want to hit the floor. Yeah. So with counts that goes 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So it's a 4-count move because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So now we're gonna put some arms in. This is really big, fun, exaggerated. So a lot of people will have their arms up and out, up and out. Or you grab your suspenders and down. But the whole point is you're breaking your foot, right? So So when you go down, it's a big down. And when you're up, you're like having the time of your life, you're dancing. So play around with your arms, do what you want. Remember, swing dance is about variation. You can do whatever you want that makes you happy. Okay, from the back, it looks like 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, this is a traveling move. So if you step, you'll go further, but you can also just roll through your foot because that also gets you a foot distance away from where you were before. So, up to you. But full speed, it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. I know. This next move I'm gonna teach you, super easy. It's called the itch, right? All you're gonna do is you're gonna itch, and then you're gonna itch, then you're gonna itch, and then you're gonna itch. It's all really about you, about making some fun, creative poses, and kind of just doing your thing. Super easy. Every 2 counts, you switch moves. Ready? So we're gonna do a Charlton basic on top, and every 2 counts, you're gonna switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Itch, 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 itch. Not bad. Okay, ready? From the back, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Itch, and itch, and itch, and itch. Okay, this next move is going to make a little bit of noise, but here we go. It's called 4 corners, super easy. On every odd count, you're going to slap your leg. So 1, 3, 5, and 7, you're going to slap. On 2, you're going to go back. On 3, you slap. On 4, you go forward. So just that part real quick. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 4 counts is super easy. You're gonna slap 5, look right, 6, slap 7, look left, 8. So just that part goes 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super easy. You wanna try that a little faster? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the back, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are super easy. They're called 4 corners or around the world. Okay, so this next move is a lot of fun. It's called a mess around. It's super easy, and it's meant to, like, when you're wearing skirts to poof up and look super cute. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands on your hips, or if you're wearing a skirt, you know, do that little, you know, the little skirt thing, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, okay. So, hands on your hips, and you can go really either direction. We're gonna start right, and you're gonna go bounce, 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 bounce. Mess around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can go the other way, to the left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's really big on pulse, so don't lose it. From the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was both a mess around from the right and from the left. Okay. Our last and final move for this evening is going to be a box step or a jazz square if you've ever taken a dance class. Super easy. You're going to step in front with your right foot. From there, we're going to make a box. So you're going to take your left foot, you're going to cross it all the way over. This right foot is now going to go straight directly behind your left foot, and your left foot is going to come back to center or where you once started. So you just made a box. So again, starting with your right foot, you go forward and cross and back and side and forward and cross and back and side. A little faster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can make it a big thing and go really low on that first step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing on the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. Front, cross, back, open. Okay, from the back. Same thing, starting on our right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So, there's a few things you can do. You can either get low on that first step, or as you come around to step, it's on this second step that you can get really low and cross over. Kind of play around, do some levels, fun variations, stuff like that. Find your comfort level. Find out what's fun for you. To the back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, cross, back, side. Front, cross, back, side. To the left. Cross, back, side. Front, cross, back, side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, everyone, thank you for tuning into this week's class. I really, really appreciate it. We have a live Q&A coming up in just a few moments, so click on the Zoom link below in the description box.